Now, forewarned weather with exclusive cutting-edge technology to help keep you and your family safe.
We are getting ever closer to the Easter holiday weekend, and now we're pairing a couple of days together that are pretty nice going into it.
Yeah, we are looking at a beautiful day today. Really nice temperatures for Good Friday, which a lot of folks have the day off, so hopefully they can enjoy that tomorrow. Taking a live look at downtown Detroit from our Windsor Skycam. You know it's nice when you see the boats out on the Detroit River. There are multiple at this hour, and so beautiful afternoon that we have on tap, and it's just upward from here. 56 degrees in the city, 55 in Ann Arbor, 52 in Pontiac, and 55 in Monroe. South-southeasterly winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and so it's that southerly flow paired with sunshine, all the ingredients you need for a really nice day. So we are about 10 degrees warmer all across the area than where we sat at the lunch hour yesterday. That's a noticeable difference. And through the afternoon, we'll be rising into the low 60s. Now, we have an abundant amount of sunshine that you just saw from our Windsor Skycam, but we will start to notice some more cloud cover building in as we head into the afternoon. Especially by, I would say, 3 or 4 o'clock going into the evening hours is when we'll definitely see those clouds thicken up, and that's ahead of a warm front that'll bring the chance for some wet weather along with that warmth. So if you're heading out to the Tigers game tonight, what a great evening to take in some baseball in the D. Tigers taking on the Royals. It's a 6:40 first pitch, upper 50s at that point. More cloud cover than what we're contending with now, but still feeling nice, and then we'll be cloudy and right around 50 by the time we get towards game's end. So an hour-by-hour look at what we're tracking. You can see throughout the afternoon, you start to see those clouds thicken up, overcast skies by 10, and that's when we might have a few of the rain showers starting to roll in just before we get to the midnight hour. Warm front lifts through the overnight, and so by the time we get close to daybreak, I think we could get brushed with a shower. Some of that trickles a little farther south of the Metro Detroit. I'll be very transparent that our models are not all in a complete agreement. I think this is the best solution that we're looking at right now as far as accuracy, and the heavier showers will likely stay in the thumb north of about I-69 early tomorrow morning. Now, the bulk of the daylight hours tomorrow are dry, and we're getting into the 70s. So these temperatures have stopped, but I want to show you what those rain chances are looking like as we head into your Friday evening. By 11 p.m., we're looking at rain, and that cold front will start to sweep through, and that brings shower and storm chances into the overnight. So late evening into the overnight. But we're looking at what we call a capped environment throughout your Friday. We'll have some really gusty winds on tap going into tomorrow, too, sandwiched between that warm front and that cold front. So that could take some of the fuel out of the environment that we're looking at. We'll have to wait and see, but there's still that slight risk of seeing some stronger storms. But warm temperatures would be part of the fuel for that as we get into the upper 70s, and 86 is the record high for tomorrow's date set back in 2004. If we get a little more sunshine mixing in, I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 80 closer to the city. But we're still under that level 2 slight risk tomorrow. We're damaging wind gusts up to about 60 miles per hour, and large hail can't be ruled out as that cold front sweeps through later in the day. Otherwise, you might have a lingering shower early Saturday. We're drying out 65, 54 on Easter Sunday with that rain returning as we get in the later part of the day. So you can see how by Saturday morning, there's that lingering rain, but by the time we advance into your Sunday, there we go. You'll start to see how we're drying things out with a little bit of that rain creeping back in by the time we get to late Sunday. So your full forecast, 54 Sunday, and that's the coolest of the next 7 because we're back in the 60s next week, flirting with 70 by next Wednesday.